Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is root a plus b plus root a minus b equals 4 and a square plus b square equals 41. You have to find the value of a and b. So we will solve this question as, first of all, we will consider root of a plus b plus root of a minus b equals 4. Now we will take square on both sides, so we get root of a plus b plus root of a minus b whole square equals 4 square. Here we will apply the formula of a plus b whole square, that equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. So according to this formula, this will become root of a plus b square plus root of a minus b square plus 2 into root of a plus b into root of a minus b, that equals 16. Now this will become a plus b plus a minus b, because this square is cancelled out by this square root, and plus 2 into root of a square minus b square equals 16. Minus b and plus b both are cancelled out. We have 2a plus 2 into root of a square minus b square equals 16. Now we will take 2 as common from this, so remaining is a plus root of a square minus b square equals 16. And this 2 is divided by this, so we get a plus root of a square minus b square equals 16. 16 is divided by 2, we will get 8. Now in the next step, we will write this as root of a square minus b square equals 8 minus a. Now we will write this as, again we will take square on both sides, so root of a square minus b square, that equals 8 minus a square. So this will become a square minus b square, and this is 64 plus a square minus 16a. Now a square minus b square minus a square and plus 16a minus 64 equals 0. So we get a square and a square are cancelled out, minus b square equals 64 minus 16a. Now we consider the value of a square plus b square, that equals 41. So minus b square will equals a square minus 41. Now we will compare both these values here. So we get, so by comparing this, we get a square minus 41, that equals 64 minus 16a. It means that a square plus 16a minus 41 minus 64 equals 0. Now this will become a square plus 16a minus 105 equals 0. Now we will make the factor of 105 such that when they are subtracted give 16. So 21, and we get 21a and 5a, because 21 minus 5 will be 16, and multiply this is 105. Now we take a as common from this, so a plus 21 and minus 5 is taken common, so a plus 21. So we get a minus 5 and the a plus 21 equals 0. These are the two factors, a equals 5 and the other one is a equals minus 21. Now after finding the values of a, we will get the values of b. So it means we get a square equals a square plus b square equals 41. We have to find the value of b square, That means 41 minus a square. So it means 41 minus a is 5 square. So 41 minus 25. So we get 16. So b is plus minus 4. Similarly, we will substitute b square equals 41 minus a is 21. So b square equals 21 is the square of 4. So this will become 41 minus 21 into 21 will be 231. So this will be 431, and then 431 minus 41 will be 1 minus 1 0. Then 13 minus 4 is, so this will be b square will equals 390 minus, so this will be a complex. So this is the solution of b. Now we get the value of a is, when a is 5, b is plus minus 4. So this is the possible answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.